How to save contacts to SIM card. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Contact and click on the contact you want to save. To save, you'll find plus button on top right. Simply click on that and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Create a new account. You cannot directly add it to SIM card. You need to connect it to your Google account. After selecting your Google account, click on Create and you're good to go. You'll find this SIM card contacts saved. And that's how you save contacts to SIM card. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.